So now the key concepts of clustering based MAC protocols. I have told you everything already. Clustering is done mainly with an objective of eliminating the effect of mobility and frequent disconnections. Okay. I told you already this thing. All the vehicles in a cluster use same channel except cluster head, which can use multiple channels for transmission of data to other vehicles, other clusters. Only cluster head has the capability of multi-hop transmission. Okay, I told you only cluster head transmit data to other cluster. So cluster, whatever message the cluster head receives, it can do the multi-hop transmission. Other members do not do the multi-hop transmission. It helps in avoiding the problem of flooding as well. Okay. Cluster heads are mostly selected using its relative velocity with other cluster members. CM means cluster members. Clustering can be utilized in other types of MAC protocols, means multi-channel, variable interval, cognitive, etc. Since it stabilizes the network. Okay. So any protocol you take, random paper you can take, if you implement that particular protocol and on top of that you apply clustering, then you will see there is the improvement in results. Okay, by applying the clustering only.